Hi everyone, Nader here. I just want to take a few minutes and share with you about what is network marketing. I'm the director of network marketing with our company called LiveGood, and I was asked to just bring it down to the basics. Like, what is it? What is this network marketing all about that people are so excited about? So here it comes. I got involved in the industry back in 1991. We just had our first kid. It was awesome. Fell in love with the idea of telling our friends when we find something awesome that they cannot get from anywhere else. So that's how I started. Worked my way up to consulting and blessed to own a few companies with our mutual friend, Mr. Ben Glinsky. So thankful for that. So that's a little bit of background on me. And again, I just want to break it down for you all because a lot of you just might not know exactly what it is. Network marketing, ladies and gentlemen, or multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, is a way of moving products to the masses, but instead of traditional companies that make a product the same way network marketing companies make them, but they have to ship it to local warehouse, and from local warehouse to local stores, and from local stores pay the employees, so on and so forth, to sell them to the end user. So a great example would be like this. Let's say a traditional business, XYZ company, makes this product for $10, right? They make it for $10, they ship it to a local warehouse, so on and so forth. By the time it makes it to the end user at the grocery store or wherever, let's say this product is gonna be $50, right? So the difference between 10 and the 50 goes to the employees and the transportation and the rent of the stores and so on and so forth. Network marketing comes around back in 1932. I actually checked that for you. Back in 1992, and the name of the company was Watchers, believe it or not. Now, what is 1932? There's brilliance behind this date. It's right after the Great Depression. Right after the Great Depression. And another amazing that make you think, over 74% of the people that are in network marketing are ladies. 74.4% to be exact. They love to love, nurture, take care of people, loving on people. And again, I'll get to that. So back in 1932, a network marketing says, hey, listen, instead of us paying employees and warehouses and so forth, we'll just make it and have friends share with friends. And that's how network marketing started. Been going on for a long time. There are over, get ready for this, 65 million active people worldwide in network marketing. 65 million, that's a lot of people. Over $35 billion, billion with a B, worth of goods and services are moved through network marketing, multi-level marketing, affiliate marketing, just in US alone. These are some unbelievably awesome numbers. Where am I going with this? So we know it works. We know network marketing works. We know it's a great way to get products that are extremely unique to our loved ones and have them use it, but they can't get it from regular stores. And we know the model works. I just read you the stats. Here is how we do it at LiveGood. And that's been going around, as I mentioned to you, since 1932. That model has been going on. It's time for a change. So how do we do it at LiveGood? How we do it at LiveGood is the exact same thing, but we just do it a little bit differently because we want the masses to stay on products. We want the masses to get healthy, stay healthy, and do it in an affordable way. Because in a traditional network marketing company that made this for 10 and brought it out through the distribution channel to the end user, let's say Sally the homemaker, some single mom, Joe the truck driver, that person, the end user, has to pay 60 for this, 40 for this, let's say. It was made for 10, but now they want to sell it for 60, 40, 50, 80. Every company is different. Why? So everybody above gets paid. But at a cost of what? At a cost of that end user not staying on the products that they need forever and ever and ever, or as long as they're asked to or suggested to. Why? Because they can't afford $80 month after month after month. So everybody above gets paid and the company owners fly in private jets and God bless them, right? Well, how do we do it at LiveGood? We do the same thing. Example, our greens. I just grabbed it out of the shelf because it was on the counter. Everybody in my house is hooked on it, right? Greens, same thing. But instead of us, we're a network marketing company too. But because we want people to stay on products forever and ever and ever and get healthy, we decided that, hey, let's do this as a membership club. Let's create a home. Let's create a family called LiveGood. People pay us a measly $9.95 a month membership fee. And for that, just this example is $18 as a member, which the other person, the other network marketing company is paying 60, sometimes 70 for it. So everybody above gets paid. That's why in traditional network marketing companies that started in 1932, people quit after 2.8 months. We want people to stay on our products forever and ever, and we will reward you for doing that through our earn while you share.